If you're looking to make $25,000 from dropshipping, using Fezamarket and Alibaba is a fantastic opportunity. Dropshipping allows you to sell products without holding inventory, and these platforms offer great product choices. Fezamarket connects you to suppliers offering low-cost products, providing an ideal dropshipping setup. Start by researching trending products that match your interests and have good demand. Find reliable suppliers on Alibaba with high ratings and good reviews. Order samples to verify quality. Create an attractive, user-friendly online store on Fezamarket with quality images and descriptions. Use effective marketing strategies such as social media, influencer marketing, and SEO to drive traffic. Good customer service leads to repeat business. Be responsive and resolve issues promptly. As your store grows, scale by adding more products and using more advertising channels. With the right niche, suppliers, marketing, and customer service, you can build a profitable business.